This is the moment you guys have been waiting for. This is Mac Daddy in Alberta. He is here with the fucking mountains. The prized possession of Alberta, not the oil. It's all about the mountain ranges here, boys. Fucking, we got our Tim Hortons cups. It's not Tim Hortons. And like I said, I free ball the rest. And short bursts, right? You know what I'm saying?
Are you gonna reinstate me as the Titan title champion?
Right here, this guy, big strong guy, you know? He wins, he loses. He never lost. He's never lost anything on the channels. He's a sneezing machine. Did you sneeze on me or something? You blow snot rockets on me, buddy? He did, didn't he? Am I covered? He's making me laugh. Alright, I'm not trying to be boogering around here, but I gotta piss. Yeah, he's the champion. So yeah, he never Titan title. He never lost it, but I gave it to him away. I gave it away, but it's back now. We're having a great time, you know.